Hello everyone. The task or the problem that I was assigned to solve is, can you show me other way to test if I can connect to isukawayan.edu.ph aside from visiting it from browser? So first, my name is Christian Torley, and for you to able to solve it is, go to search bar and type Windows PowerShell and open. And you will be seeing this window. And over here, type FTP and press enter. And over here, type open isu kawayan.edu.ph and press enter again. As you can see, we are now connected to isu kawayan.edu.ph without visiting it from browser. And that's it. That is how you connect to isu kawayan.edu.ph without visiting it from browser. It is easy to connect and everyone can do it. And this is all for today, and I hope you learned a lot, and thank you for listening.